I think I scared her or something.
She got scared. Like that. You see how she's peeing right now? Yeah. Just like that.
Don't let her on you. She's gonna pee on you.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
She's the cutest thing ever. She's scared of that.
Look how she can.
Oh, I'm sorry, Amanda. That was very bad throw. Look at that. Sorry, Amanda.
Well, Grace is gonna get.
For a little guy.
Not me. I can throw one not that kind of far.